Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your July 2024 dollar bead bag and dollar bead box. So beautiful and so affordable. So 2 separate subscriptions. I'm going to put the box aside. We'll look at the bag. So the bag is $8 a month. You get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish. I have not seen a strand of 50 fire polish beads for $1 anywhere. So here are our colors. Let's open them up and we'll take a look. Okay, here's our color story, and it's gorgeous. I love the blues. So let's look at the 3mm, and as I think I said in the intro, you get 50 beads to a strand, which is just wonderful. So we have blue lilac iris, and that's, wait a minute, that's this one, I believe. Gorgeous. And then matte blue lilac iris. So we have a matte and a shiny, and look at the difference in how different the bead looks when there's a shiny surface and a matte surface. Really beautiful. Opaque white Bermuda blue or opaque half blue iris. It's this one. And then we have opaque light blue half iris. Sometimes I'm like, what? But gorgeous. So pretty. Look how beautiful those are. Great quality, beautiful fire polish beads. All right, let's take a look at the 4s. Okay, here are 4mm, and how gorgeous. I love the dark cobalt blue, stunning. What I do is I just pick out the colors I love the most. Like in this lot, I would, this group, I would probably pick out this light blue, the cobalt blue, and one of the irises, or maybe both. And I just order about 10 strands of each, and that way I have in my stash when I'm making something. So they're just perfect. $1 a strand. I mean, it's amazing. All right, dark cobalt blue, matte blue lilac iris. So we have a 4mm in that matte blue lilac iris. And the 4mm, when you look close, you can really see those colors in there, the iris colors. That's beautiful. I love that there's a 3 and 4 in the same color. Opaque light blue. Love that. So versatile. So, use it in so many different, in so many different projects. And then we have aqua amethyst vitriol. And that's a gorgeous sort of aqua with the vitriol coating on it. So here are your 4s. Beautiful. So here's everything. Remember, $8 a month. And I have a coupon code for you. So don't forget to check that out. All right, let's open the box. So we haven't done an actual unboxing. I haven't seen any of the beads yet, to where we've just, started from box to finish. So here's the box, is what it looks like. So for those of you who are not familiar with these, I just love it. They're so great. So here's their letter, and they give you a letter. They say it's as they were putting together this month's items. It's a sweltering 90 degrees out. Well, yeah, I agree. It has been in the 90s here too, in the Northeast, and it's just oppressive, and so they're gravitating to the cool blues, which I love. Okay, so they have exclusives, and you could read about that. Then they give you codes for, their exclusives. So don't forget to check that out, because they do that a lot. And don't forget to check their, their website for all their deals and sign up for their emails and such. So here are all their social media. Right there. Here's our list. So we'll start with the strands. So I'll just pull everything out. So I know it's crinkly, but just for those of you who haven't seen this yet, if you're thinking about already holiday gifts for the beader in your life, for the beginner or for the stringer, such a great gift. Get them, a 6-month subscription or year subscription. It's really gorgeous. So here we go. Look at all these. Look at the colors here. Stunning. All right, I'm going to pull everything out and we'll look at each one individually. To give you a little look at everything, look how gorgeous this color story is. So pretty. So we'll start with the strands. Let's start with the strands. So look at this druck. This is an 8mm druck, and we've been using 8mm pearls and drucks for a while now, and I just love this color. So this is medium aqua blue. You get 25 pieces. So the box can be as low as $18.50 a month. It goes up from there depending on your subscription. So you can check it out and see. You can buy 1 box, but it's going to be a little bit more. So check that out and see, because they're amazing deals. I mean, this is the best affordable box around, I believe. So 6mm Lucerna bicone, sapphire or aqua. It's an aqua, 25 pieces, and that's a bicone that is it's a check glass bicone, and it's not faceted, and it's a nice big one. I love that. More casual than a faceted crystal. And then next up we have the check glass 2-hole flat silky bead in alabaster white. So that's really pretty. And my lights are going a little crazy, but it's a beautiful, just a very opaque white. And you get 25 pieces. And then here I'll pop these, my hand all together. I just love looking at them all together. We've got a 4mm check glass drop, and this is in medium aqua, and you get 50 pieces. I mean, look at all the beads you get. This is amazing. And I've been doing this for years, and I'm always amazed when I open the boxes, and they've gotten just so much better as time has gone on. The color selections and how everything goes so well together, just beautiful. So they've grown a lot, and I just think that's wonderful. Okay, so 4mm check glass struck, medium aqua, did that one, 50 pieces. And we have a check glass struck in a 3mm, so we went from an 8 to a 6 to a 4 to a 3. Jet Rainbow Iris, or Jet AB, 48 pieces. How cool is that? That's beautiful. And then we have this little rondelle. It's a 3mm rondelle, light aqua AB. There are 105 beads in this little 3mm, and I love these little 3mm for, they are not faceted, these little rondelles. I love them for as spacer beads. They're just perfect to have in your stash. So here you go. Here are our strands. Okay, let's look at the additional items, and they got me with the colors. They just really did. We have a 13 by 15mm check glass pillow. And see, there's the hole over there. And this is acid etched Jet AB. I can't speak today. 2 pieces. That is so pretty. It's just beautiful. Just a pair of earrings, put an eye pin in, add a drop, add a bicone, or any one of these, the round beads, the Lucerna bicone. You can even do the silky, anything. And you've got a really pretty pair of very unusual earrings. And we have a check glass squishy saucer, medium aqua, 16 pieces. Just love the color, 5 by 7mm. So it's like a squishy saucer. Just another really pretty bead for stringing. Just looks so beautiful. Really pretty. Look at this bead. This is gorgeous. So we have a button bead, 14mm, purple 2ABX. Get 2 pieces. Look at that purple. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Again, I just make earrings. You would just string all these, in beautiful combinations and have a beautiful strung necklace. So pretty. Hello. We have the 6 by 8mm check glass, ribbed rondelle, aqua AB. You get 20 pieces, and this is a nice big rondelle. Again, a beautiful spacer bead. Use silver, gold seed, or gold seed beads. Either one looks beautiful, and you just make such a gorgeous necklace, bracelet, really anything. Look how pretty that is. Gorgeous. Next up we have a check glass curved cube, 8mm blue with white opal, 6 pieces. So I love that. That's so pretty. So it's a cube, but it's it's got curves, exactly. So perfect. Very pretty. Beautiful. Love them. So we have a 4 by 14mm check glass coin, light blue opal, 2 pieces. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. That's beautiful. That's so interesting. They remind me, the dollar bead box items always remind me of all the vintage beads I used to buy in the 70s and 80s. They're just so pretty. Just very unusual, really pretty. It almost looks like a ginkgo leaf in this one, doesn't it? That's cool. Okay, next up we have these beautiful Baroque pearls. So the check glass round Baroque pearls, 8mm in white. You get 10 pieces. My lights are going a little crazy with them, so they're a little more like that. Look at the shine on them. They're like little moons, aren't they? They just glow. Beautiful. Look at this guy. This is a dyed agate cross, dark aqua opal. So it's an actual gemstone. So it's an agate. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love that. You get 1 piece, 15 to 16mm. That's such a pretty color. So where's the whole? Just right there. Just beautiful. Put it on a leather cord. Put a head pin on, a bicone or one of the round beads, or fire polish, and then put it on a leather cord. That'd be beautiful. Just like a simple little piece. That's pretty. Look closely at this agate. That's pretty. The stamping, and it's a stamped butterfly, and they've been doing stampings for the longest time. You notice a lot of bead websites are starting to sell many more stampings than they used to, and way back when, like, what do we do with this? So now there are so many things you can do with these stampings. You've got 2 holes right here. You can put beads here. You can hang little beads. Really looks so pretty as a pen, maybe. So stampings have really become popular, but the dollar bead box has had them forever. So that's really pretty. Does this have a size on it? 25 by 39 millimeter. It's brass. We have a 6 by 16 millimeter check glass tabular long oval. Isn't that pretty? And this is crystalline gold. So you see it's crystal on one side and we have a gold finish on the other side. And I love the combo with this, let me pull out a little bit. I love this combo. The aquas and the blues with the gold or the brass. Isn't that gorgeous? That's really, really pretty. 2 more items. We have a 4 by 6 millimeter check glass bellflower, and this is this right here. Look at that opaque light blue. Isn't that pretty? Again, my lights are kind of washing it out a little bit. It's really got some blue in there. So really pretty. You can put this on either end of a bead as a bead cap like that, or your drop bead here, this guy. So you can, use that as a bead cap on either end, or just as a bead cap and put a head pin in, and make an earring. And look at this. This is an 18 millimeter check glass daisy jet AB one piece. Look at the color, and look at the color. Look at that purple, how the purple shows on this side, and look at how that blue and purple shows on this side. That's gorgeous. Again, leather cord, and just have a beautiful little, solitaire piece. So I'm going to put these down. This is very inspiring. This is a beautiful, beautiful box, isn't it? Look how pretty that is. So here are your box contents. That's one of the prettiest boxes I've seen so far. I just love it. I mean, they're all beautiful, but this one is speaking to me a lot. And then, of course, so here's your box. Let me pull out a little bit. So here's your bag above. So that's the dollar bead bag. If you get both subscriptions, they always go together so beautifully. I love, love, love what they're doing with this. Just gorgeous. Okay, link in the description box below the video. Can you tell I love the dollar bead box? I really do. I think it's just the best affordable box for stringing, and for, I always pick these beads as focal beads because I'm a bead weaver more than, I do stringing on the channel as well, but we do mostly bead weaving, and these are perfect. All you need to do is add some gold seed beads, get some 11/0, some 15/0. You can make anything. So pretty. All right, so again, check the description box for the link to the dollar bead box website and the coupon code so you can get some bucks off. All right, take care. I'll see you next time.